Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing. Today is Saturday, the 23rd of March, and we have a very breezy and cold day today to look forward to, but quite flyable. All right, synoptics. This is midnight just gone. Um, no fronts there, but we do have this ridge coming through. Fairly close isobars, so as you can see, it's quite windy outside already. This is midday today. This is the ridge passing over the top, and we're expecting some showers at about 1 o'clock for an hour and a half. This is midnight tonight. That's all passed through. There's an occluded front sort of on the way that might affect tomorrow, but maybe not. Okay, winds at height. We have got 25 knots at 290. In some places, it goes up to 30 knots and 300. Look at the satellite picture. This is 8:45. See the ridge is moving across. Rain radar, rain today, and clear at the moment, but some showers approaching. It looks like a couple of hours away. This is the Met rain forecast. This is observable at the moment, so that's the situation at the moment. I'll just scroll through the day and see how it looks. So there we are, midday. A little bit showery. Again, the day of dodging the showers, I suspect. Looking at the public forecast, so that's the ridge going through 12:30, 1 o'clock for an hour and a half. So that would be a good time to break for some lunch. 80% chance of rain, so that's very likely. Temperatures much cooler than it has been for a week or two, down to 5 degrees, and the wind chill would be significant. Wind direction straight down runway 27, which is good, about 16 knots, but gusting to 30. So I think we'll keep the K13s in the hangar for a bit just to see what the conditions are like. Very good visibility, moderate humidity, so no canopy missing. If you're not here on site, this is what it looked like at 8:35. I'll just refresh that. The cloud cover is thickening. METARs, this is fairly recent. And visibility 10K, which it is. We'll go on to the Farnborough one. There's the TAF, which is within the last hour. And it's a sort of mixed story at the moment. Seeing few clouds at 4.5. It's going down to until 5 o'clock. Winds 15, gusting 25. Visibility 7K. Rain showers. Probability 30%. This is through till 4 o'clock, visibility down to 4K, and broken clouds at 1,400 feet. And then it goes into rain showers, snow, hail. So we will be keeping a very close eye on rain radar and the sky just to see how it's obviously going to be a changeable day. Sky sight's a little bit more optimistic. There's that ridge coming through midday. It's talking about thermals, 3.5 knot thermals, going up to 3,600 feet. So if that's true, then great. Wind direction confirms that. Gust 29 knots, and winds at height around 300, as aforementioned. Wind at the moment outside is averaging 11, gusting to 14, so a little bit breezier than it was this time yesterday. We had a couple of millimeters of rain yesterday, but not very much, so 1 or 2. There is still some standing water out on the airfield, so we'll be launching from the runway. But as the airfield dries out, I think fairly soon we'll be able to start launching on the grass as we are more used to. No TAMs, nothing really. Lark Hill danger area is active all day, if anyone is venturing out that way. And we'll just have a look at the airfield setup. All right, instructors today, we've got the two Allens, Dave Allen, Dave Williams. We have now we have four K21s, which I think are all going to be used. We have two for the two Daves. We have cadets this afternoon, and the AirX flying will be with a 21 as well. As I say, if the conditions look okay, and we'll dig out one or two of the K13s. We've got two at the moment. All right, the setup. This is the air fuel setup. So 2.7, winch down the far end. The wind is straight down, so we should get a good cable run. And should we get some good heights on the launches? Boom running down the south side on the runway, winching from the south grass, aerotowing from the north grass, and parked gliders, careful with canopies and parking properly behind the fire truck, please. And no landing on the runway. The grass is dry enough for landing. So south circuits land on the grass, south side. North circuits land on the grass, north side. Okay, so we have a band of rain coming in sort of lunchtime. So let's get started as soon as we can. Thanks very much, and I'll see you out there shortly.